If you're thinking about booking Secrets Tides Punta Cana and wondering whether the Preferred Club Master Suite is actually worth the upgrade, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Here is a Preferred Club Master Suite, and this view is an oceanfront view. This room is absolutely massive. This first closet that you'll come to is one of two closets in this room. You have your safe, plenty of shelving and hanging storage, and some drawer space as well on this side. And on the opposite side, the rest of your hanging storage and your luggage rack and even a shoe rack here. Just next to that, where that little silver handle is your secret box for your room service delivery. And right across from the closet is your very own half bath, which is huge. It has a full-size sink with plenty of amenities, waters, and of course, the toilet. The total size for this suite is 1,340 square feet, and the occupancy is for 2 adults. You'll see there is a full kitchen here, well, not an oven and things like that, but you also have a dining area and this, credenza area with extra storage. There's shelving on this side, and then the next cabinet you'll see there is some drawer space. And here is the living room with your sofa and a desk area and a television. Great if you need a little extra space. And then here into the spacious bedroom. And one of the things that I just love about the rooms here at Secrets Tides is the decor. To me, the colors that they chose really invoke a spa experience and atmosphere. Take in this huge bathroom with bathtub, double sinks, plenty of water, all of the different toiletries that you'll need. You have this gigantic shower, of course, with dual rain head. And here's a look at the included amenities in the shower. Next to that, you will find the enclosed water closet. Another thing I love about this suite is that there is a separate door that completely closes off the bathroom from the bedroom. Here is the main closet that is located in the bathroom, so it's going to be pretty much identical to the one right by the main door, minus the safe. You will have some extra bedding in here as well. And note the full-size mirror on the back side of the door. And then go out into the main room. You have a nice chaise lounge, nightstands on either side of the bed. This is a beautiful king-size bed in here and in all of the master suites. That's what you'll find. There's also a Bluetooth speaker in the room that you can connect your phone to. And this is also where you'll find the fully stocked mini bar and wine fridge. There happens to be Coke, Coke Zero, Sprite, Fanta, some juice, Presidente, and Coors Light, and of course plenty of waters and a few snacks. And then this bag comes with your room if you're staying Preferred Club. And take a look at this enormous balcony with the gigantic jacuzzi tub and this beautiful view of the entire property. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for my full review of Secrets Tides, and I'll see you in the next one.